yesterday we got all this trenching done. I got a little bit more here to do. I did all this with the backhoe a while back. It took too long. Ground's hard. Got all this done. And I was going to run the electrical from that pole right there all the way back. But I talked to an electrician yesterday to come in and maybe finish this stuff out. He said I can run it off this little pole right here. So I'm going to cut this today. I got to move some of that gravel back, move that out of the way. I got my helper there, Shorty. This thing keeps popping off, man. Right there. Coming off. Okay. Back it out. I'm going to back it out a little bit. See if I can get it a little leveler. Gave up on this trencher. That pin came out again. It's not going to work. I'm going to be chasing my tail. The issue is I got to go down 3 feet. The trencher will make quick time of it. I can use my backhoe, but this ground's real hard here. So guess I'm going to give it a shot with the backhoe. I ain't got too many other choices. Might be able to find somebody around here, but who knows when they'll get to it. These right here, sure we put these underground. These are the ones you want to put underground. They ain't cheap. About 50 bucks a pop. So that's what we're doing. Got everything I need right here. Let's cap that off. Some pipe, a couple spigots, ready to go. All right, the moment of truth. Let's see here. Got a leak. That's no bueno. I think it's because I was missing. Put this in there. Damn it. Let's get me another gasket for that. Quick little tip. Unwinding that is hard to do when it's empty. So if you'll hook your spigot up and get water in it, make sure you ain't leaking. You got to do all that right. Then you'll be able to pull that out a lot easier. So at least that's what my thinking was on it. So that's what I'm doing now. Got the water line in. Don't have it tied in the house yet. It's up to the house, but got it underground. There we are. Water meter. Got a little pile of dirt there I'll use on something else. Here we are. And capped off right there. We'll run it back in over there. What would have probably taken me all day to dig with my little backhoe, Larry came and knocked out for me in about an hour and 20 minutes. I'm going to do a little around this corner here, but he knocked every bit of that out. Now we're going to lay that wire in there. There's the wire I picked up. That stuff is not cheap. $750 for that and 2 pieces of Schedule 80 pipe. Expensive. Whew. can see how deep this is. It's about waist high. I had an issue I had to sort out. I wasn't for sure how my septic was going to come out. Coming out over here, there. Wasn't for sure if I had enough room, but it looks like I got enough room, and I think I've got this electrical line's way under it, so I think I'm all clear. So I'm gonna get to burying this right here. Get this done here shortly. Uncle Ben's rice, corn, some olive oil, some lemon pepper, and 4 things of tuna. Let's see, what else is that? I think that's it. Oh, and some peanut butter. Oh, the peanut butter sits it over the top. This stuff right here tastes very pad thai. I'm gonna get the rest of this water line buried today. See, eventually I might put some more cabins back here, so I'm gonna be able to tie in back here somewhere. Probably drop it over in here somewhere. Might get the backhoe out, dig that out over that way, and get it a little bit further off the road. That's what we're doing now. Put these little caps in here so it doesn't crush the pipe. It's important to put those in there. Haven't had water out here on the camper, so now I've got to de-winterize camper so I can get water running through it, so I can take a shower. Haven't had a shower in 4 months. I've had a shower, but I haven't had running water out here for 4 months. So anyway, that's it. I officially have water. Good news. Got everything put back together. Man, it'd be nice to take a shower tonight. Shorty, did you come to help me? Huh? Huh? Oh, Shorty. Quit. Leave him alone. You still haven't got a facelift yet, have you? Huh? Yeah, get you a facelift. You tired? Oh look, you got. Oh look. Oh my goodness! An alien captured you. And they shaved your belly. Oh goodness! They shaved your belly. Oh, oh my goodness! They shaved your belly. Oh, I know I love you. Rough day, huh? You have a rough day? Huh? You have a rough day? You look like you had a rough day. Huh. I'm out of breath. You look like you had a rough day.